Welcome back to the channel, place where power, elegance, and cutting-edge automotive design come together. If you're into the world of top-tier vehicles, hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore the finest machines on four wheels. Today, we're giving you an exclusive, in-depth look at the 2025 BMW X7. We explore exterior, interior, under to the hood, safety features, performance, what's new in this model and price, all about in detail. Watch to end. If you are new in this channel, let's first subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes. Don't waste the time, let's start the video. First impressions matter, and the 2025 X7 makes a strong one. From the moment you see it, the refreshed front design commands attention. BMW has refined the massive kidney grilles, which are now illuminated for added drama at night. The new split headlight setup, where the daytime running lights are separated from the main beams, gives the X7 a striking, modern identity. The lower bumper is more sculpted, especially in the M Sport trim, where aggressive air intakes complete the look. Along the sides, the proportions remain muscular yet sleek, with sharp shoulder lines and large alloy wheels, ranging from 21 to an optional 23 inches, giving the SUV an athletic stance. At the back, redesigned LED taillights connect with a subtle chrome strip, while the exhaust tips are now more integrated and upscale. Every angle of this SUV shouts luxury, presence, and unmistakable BMW DNA. Now open the doors and step inside, because this is where the real magic begins. The interior of the 2025 BMW X7 is nothing short of breathtaking. As you slide into the driver's seat, you're greeted by the seamless curved display, a digital masterpiece that combines a 12.3-inch instrument cluster with a massive 14.9-inch infotainment screen. Everything is powered by the latest iDrive 8.5 system, now faster, more intuitive, and smarter with built-in voice assistant features. And yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. The materials are absolutely top shelf. You'll find soft touch leather in multiple color themes, open-pore wood trims, and optional glass controls that give the cabin a true luxury vibe. The ambient lighting system is not only beautiful, but responsive, reacting to your climate settings, phone calls, and safety alerts. Front seats are heated, ventilated, and available with massage functionality. The second-row passengers don't get left out either, especially with the captain's chair configuration, which brings individual comfort and power adjustments. Even in the third row, there's more legroom than you'd expect and easy access thanks to power folding mechanisms. All three rows have access to their own climate zones, USB-C port, and even optional entertainment displays. Add the available Bowers Wilkins sound system, and you've got a rolling concert hall. But the 2025 X7 doesn't just look and feel great, it performs like a beast too. Under the hood, the base xDrive 40i is powered by a refined 3.0-litre turbocharged inline-6 engine, now making 375 horsepower and 398 pounds-feet of torque. Thanks to a 48-volt mild hybrid system, you get quicker throttle response, better fuel efficiency, and smoother stop-start transitions. Need more thrill? Step up to the M60i trim, and you're looking at a 4.4-litre twin-turbocharged V8, also with mild hybrid tech, delivering a blistering 523 horsepower and 553 pounds-feet of torque. This thing rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.5 seconds, which is supercar speed for something this size. Both engines are mated to BMW's smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, and of course, xDrive all-wheel drive is standard. The adaptive air suspension is also standard and adjusts ride height based on speed and terrain. Whether you're gliding over potholes or carving through mountain roads, the X7 adapts seamlessly. And with optional rear-wheel steering and active roll stabilization, the X7 handles like something much smaller and sportier than it really is. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 BMW X7 xDrive 40i starts at around $83,500. If you want all the bells and whistles at the M60i trim with the V8 engine, upgraded wheels, executive package, rear seat entertainment, and Bowers Wilkins audio, you're easily looking at $115,000 to $125,000. But with the combination of luxury, technology, and performance it offers, many would say it's worth every penny. So there you have it, the 2025 BMW X7, a vehicle that manages to balance size, style, speed, and luxury all in one brilliant package. It's bold enough to stand out in a crowd, refined enough to pamper your every drive, and powerful enough to remind you that it's still, at heart, a BMW. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more content just like this, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and of course, subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes. We've got more luxury, more power, and more road presence coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride. Would you like a version with timestamps or visual prompts for editing?